Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different and stylish collection. Trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about beautiful ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Fine hairstyle and very attractive collection of messy hairstyles, and different collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, many much more ideas of spiky hairstyle with undercut and shaved art. Different ideas of undercut and shaved art. Some ideas in lines. Some ideas in electric designs. And so beautiful collection of zigzag designs. Very stylish collection of circle and square designs. Different ideas of floral designs and very beautiful collection of undercut and shaved art in low maintenance hairstyling. Very beautiful and latest collection, and trendy ideas of hair dye. The trend of hair dye of short hair, mostly ideas blonde color, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, and very beautiful collection of black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. In funky colors, different shade of hair dye, shade and color. Some ideas purple color, beautiful collection of shocking pink color, and blue color, green color, yellow color, and so beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. With different ideas of roots. some ideas light roots, some ideas dark roots, and beautiful collection of highlights, some ideas full hair, some ideas only front hair to ear highlights, and very beautiful ideas of hair dye in low maintenance. You see in this video, and so stylish collection and trendy ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and shaved art, and some ideas latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut, and some ideas in feather cut, and many much more latest and trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle and haircut with beautiful hair dye for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very sweet, and you look very cute. And short hairstyle change your looks, so please must try it. I hope you look very beautiful and very pretty. I hope you must try it. And if you are mature woman and plus size and plus woman like 40, 50 and 60, so please you must try it. You look younger and you look very beautiful and very nice, and you look very smart. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me. Support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Insta, and many apps of social media. I hope you must share it. And I request you, please must share your feedback in comment box, because your feedback it's very important for growing channel. So please must share your opinion, your ideas, your suggestion about short hairstyle, haircut, and about hair dye and anything about short hairs for girls and women, please must share with me. And as soon as possible, I'll become latest and new and trendy ideas for you. So please must share with me. I'll wait. Once again, if you are not subscribed my channel, please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friends, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas about short hair. Take care yourself and take care your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well.